It could be the toughest test Texas students have ever taken. This year, the state is rolling out a new end-of-course exam for high school students. KXAN education reporter Aaron Cargile explains there's a lot more to it than a new name.
When I was in school, there was the TOS, then came the TAKS, and now there's the STAR. The new acronym has 2 A's and stands for State of Texas Assessment of Academic Readiness. Unlike any state test before, it will be timed and include more questions.
It's a much more difficult system for our students to navigate.
Dr. Jill Seiler has been preparing middle school and high school teachers in the Lake Travis School District for what their students will face. Many of their students got a sneak peek. The district opted to let them try it out 2 years ago when the STAR test was being developed. Last year, they took part in mandatory field testing. While teachers weren't allowed to look at the test, they asked students what they thought.
The test was much more difficult. It was much more rigorous. The questions required a lot more thinking and were more in depth.
There are less multiple choice questions and more open-ended ones, forcing students to arrive at original answers. Lake Travis got to see how their students did on some of the tests.
It was really interesting looking at the geometry results, which for our campus, which was just named exemplary, Lake Travis High School, were probably not where we wanted to see them.
Only freshmen will take the new test this year, and their scores won't count against them. But eventually, 9th, 10th, and 11th graders will have to pass 12 end-of-course exams to graduate. With the TAKS, they only had to pass 4 tests. Aaron Cargile, KXAN News.